There's a huge government scandal going on that I need your help with. I'm also going to share a loophole that I discovered into the government's billion-dollar slush fund that will pay you handsomely for your help. Here's what's going on and how you can help. Every day, the government forecloses on 3,000 or more property owners because they've fallen behind on their property taxes. This amounts to roughly $14 million in tax sale foreclosures every single day. Let me give you an example. Let's say that someone didn't pay their taxes for 3 years, which amounts to roughly $22,000 in back taxes and penalties on a $200,000 property. The property goes to auction. An investor steals it for $100,000. With me so far? The government uses $22,000 to pay off the taxes due, leaving an excess of $78,000. That led me to ask one simple question that launched me into a new adventure and made me, and a few people I've shared this with, millions of dollars over the years. So what happens to all that extra money? The answer to that question might make your blood boil, but it also presents an amazing opportunity for you to do a lot of good while doing really well for yourself. You want to know what happens to that extra money? The government is hoarding it, but it doesn't belong to them. And I've discovered a loophole into the government's billion-dollar slush fund where you can get paid really well recovering these funds for the former property owner. It's not difficult to do. You simply need to follow a hidden formula the government doesn't want you to know. And you don't need to be an attorney or have any special licenses to doing it. I'm an attorney. I'll show you all the legal rules. In fact, I bet you already have everything you need to get started, which is just an internet connection, your phone, and a laptop. You don't even need to leave your house. I live in this beautiful resort in the Caribbean part of the year and New York City the other part of the year, and I do this business all over the United States without ever leaving my house or apartment. That allows me to spend more time with my family and do the things that I enjoy doing. And as you probably already realized, with 15,000 people losing their houses every week, I simply can't handle all of these myself, which is where you come in. These homeowners desperately need your help because they don't know they're owed the money, and even if they did, they don't know how to access the loophole. In fact, the few people I've shown this to are already having incredible success. And the most amazing thing about this is you can get started right from home without any startup capital. So I have a question for you. Are you ready to learn and get paid really well for helping people in need? I'll be covering this in detail on my upcoming free training. Simply click on the button below or the link in the description to join. I'm Bob Diamond, America's tax sale attorney, and I'll see you on the training.